Hello everyone, welcome to High School Mathematics channel. Today we are going to learn Class 9 Chapter 1 Real Numbers Exercise 1.1 6th sum onwards. See now question number 6. Express the following rational numbers in decimal form. See now, in that first Roman first sum, 242 divided by 1000. So whenever we have to convert any rational number or any number to decimal form, the denominator must present either 10, 100, 1000 or 10,000. So in this question 242 by 1000 is present. So how to convert this to decimal form? Let us see. Write down the numerator 242. So divided by 1000, or the denominator it is present 1000. So 3 digits before you place the decimal point and write down 0. So the answer is 0.242. Similarly, if we have denominator 100 means 2 digits before from right side onwards, we have to place the decimal. See now second one, 354 by 500. We know the denominator must contain either 10, 100, 1000 or 10,000 so on. Here 500 is present. So it is nearer to 1000. So we can convert this 500 as 1000 by multiplying numerator and denominator by 2. So write on this, that equals to 354 by 500 into numerator and denominator we multiplied by 2. That equals to 354 into 2. That is 708 by 500. 2s are 1000. Now this rational number we can convert into decimal form. That equals to, write on this numerator 708. Right side onwards 3 digits before you place decimal and write down 0. Why? Because your denominator we are having 1000. So 3 digits before we place the decimal. So the answer is 0.708. See now sixth question. First Roman third sum 2 by 5. Now we have to convert this rational number to decimal form. Here denominator we are having 5. We can make this denominator 5 as 10 by multiplying numerator and denominator by 2. So write down 2 by 5 into numerator and denominator we multiplied by 2. So multiply numerator 2 into 2, 4 by multiply denominator 5 into 2, 10. So 4 by 10. Now we can convert this to decimal form. That equals to, write on the numerator 4. Here denominator 10 is there. So right side onwards 1 digit before you place decimal point and write down 0. So the answer is 0.4. See now question number 4. 115 by 4. To convert this rational number to decimal form, here in this denominator we need either 10, 100, 1000 or 10,000 so on. So 4 table 25 times we will get 100. So what we shall do means, this numerator and denominator we shall multiply by 25. So write down here 115 by 4 into 25 by 25. That equals to, multiply denominator 4 into 25, it is 100. Now we have to multiply numerator, that is 115 multiplied by 25. 25 5s are 125. Write down 5. You get a carry 12. Next 25 ones are 25. So 25 plus 12 you add here, 2 plus 5 7, 1 plus 2 3. So we get here 37. Write down 7 and we are having a carry 3. Next 25 ones are 25. 25 plus 3 28. Therefore 115 multiplied by 25 we get answer 2875. Write down this value in the numerator 2875. That equals to, now we can convert this rational number into decimal form. First write down the numerator 2875. Now verify the denominator. Here we are having 100. So from right side onwards 2 digits before you place the decimal point. Now the answer is 28.75. So we have converted 115 by 4 rational number to decimal form as 28.75. See now sixth question, second Roman. First sum 2 by 3. We have to convert this rational number into decimal form. So with 3 we have to divide 2. So we have written 2 is divided by 3. Here 2 is less than 3. So we can't do division. So at that time what we have to do is write down 0 in the quotient and add a 0 here and give decimal point. Now the number is 20. So 3 table, 3 6 are 18. So write down here 6. Write down now 18. Now we have to do subtraction. 20 minus 18 you will get 2. Here in quotient as we placed decimal point, so we can add a 0 here. Again the number is 20. Again now 3 table 6 times 18. 20 minus 18, again you will get remainder. So this process continues. So it is a non-terminating decimal and here this 6 is recurring, it is repeating. So our answer is here 0.66 so on, that equals to 0.6 bar. So when the number is repeating, we have to place the bar here. So 0.6 bar is our answer. Second question, minus 25 by 36. Now we have to divide this 25 by using 36. So we doesn't know 36 table, right? So we have to write table here. 36 ones are 36. So you can multiply 36 twos. Multiply means you will get 72. In this way, first you write on the table. Then after we shall start doing the division. Observe here 25 dividend is less than the divisor 36. So what we have to do? In the quotient we have to place 0 point, then add a 0 here. Now the number is 250. So observe in 36 table, is there 250 in this? We are having 252. We cannot take this value. So this previous value is 216. How many times it is? 6 times. So mention here 6 times 216. Now we have to do subtraction. If you take borrow, this 0 becomes 10 and this 5 becomes 4. 10 minus 6, 4. 4 minus 1, 3. 2 minus 2, it is 0. Now we are having 34, which is less than 36. So again what we have to do, as we are having decimal point, add a 0 here. Now the number is 340. Let us check in the table whether 340 is present or not. Here we are having 360. Then after 324 is there. So 340 not present. We shall take smallest number. So 36 9s are 324. So mention here 9 and write down 324. Now again we have to do subtraction. So from 0 we can't subtract 4. So what we have to do? We shall borrow. This 0 becomes 10 and this 4 becomes 3. Now we shall do subtraction. 10 minus 4, 6. 3 minus 2, 1. 3 minus 3, it is 0 again. Now the number is here 16, which is less than 36. As we are having decimal, add a 0 now again. Now the number is 160. Let us check this number present in the table or not. No, 160 is not present, we are having 180. So least number we shall take, that is 36 4s are 144. So mention here 4 and write down here 36 4s are 144. Now we have to do subtraction. From 0 again we can't subtract 4. Now we have to borrow. So from 6 we are borrowing, this 0 becomes 10 and this 6 becomes 5. Now 10 minus 4, 6. 5 minus 4, 1. We got here 16 remainder. So this 16 is less than 36 as we are having decimal. Keep a 0 here. Again 36 4s are 144. When we do subtraction we will get here 16. So The last number is going to repeat. We shall stop division here and write down the answer. Keep here minus 0.6944, so on. Here the last digit 4 is going to repeat and it is non-terminating decimal. So we can write this as that equals to minus 0.694 bar. Here only 4 is repeating, so we shall write here 4 bar. So minus 25 by 36 answer is minus 0.694 bar. See now 6th question, second Roman third sum. 22 by 7, we have to convert this rational number into decimal form. Now we have to divide this 22 by 7. So 7 table, 7 3s are 21. Now subtract 22 minus 21, we get 1 remainder. So here 1 is less than 7, keep a decimal point and add a 0 here. Now the number is 10. 7 table, 7 ones are 7. So write down here 7, 10 minus 7, we get remainder 3. 3 is less than 7, decimal is there, add a 0, now the number is 30. 7 table, 4 times 28, write down 4 times 28. See now 30 minus 28, we get remainder 2. Here this 2 is less than 7, here decimal is there, add a 0 now, now the number is 20. 7 table, 2 times it is 14. 20 minus 14, we get a remainder 6. This 6 is less than 7, so decimal is there, add a 0, now the number is 60. 7 table, 8 times 56. 60 minus 56, we get remainder 4. This 4 is less than 7, decimal is there, you add a 0 here, now the number is 40. 7 table, 7 5s are 35. So 40 minus 35, you will get a remainder 5. 5 is less than 7, decimal is there, add a 0 now. Now the number is 50. 7 table, 7 times 49. So 50 minus 49, you will get a remainder 1. Again decimal is there, add a 0, now the number is 10. So we shall take 7 ones are 7. Now 10 minus 7, you will get a remainder 3. See here again we are getting this value 10, 7, again remainder 3. So we shall stop division here. So we shall write the answer now. 22 by 7 means we got answer here 3.142857 bar. We place bar here means again these numbers are going to repeat. It is a non-terminating and repeating decimal. See now 6th question, second Roman fourth sum, 11 by 9. Now we have to convert this 11 by 9 rational number into decimal form. So now we have to divide 11 by using 9. So let us divide now. 9 ones are 9. 11 minus 9, you will get a remainder 2. 2 is less than 9, so keep decimal point and add a 0. Now the number is 20. 9 table, 9 twos are 18. So 20 minus 18, you will get a remainder 2, which is less than 9. Here decimal is there, again you add a 0. Again 9 twos are 18. 20 minus 18, you will get a remainder 2. So here this 2 is repeating. So we shall stop the division now. It is a non-terminating and repeating decimal. So the answer is 1.22 so on. That means 1.2 bar. Therefore 11 by 9 answer is 1.2 bar. See now question number 7. Express each of the following decimals in P by Q form where Q is not equals to 0 and P, Q are integers. See now first sum 0.36. Now we have to convert this decimal into P by Q form. So first write down decimal after numbers 3, 6. Then here decimal after how many digits were there? 2 digits. So 2 digits there means we have to write in the denominator by 100. So 0.36 means 36 by 100. Now we can simplify this further. That is dividing both terms by 2. 2 table 18 times 36 and 50 times 100. So the answer is 18 by 50. Still this number we can divide further. So numerator and denominator we shall divide by 2. So 2 table 18 is 9 times. 2 table 50 is 25 times. So the answer is 9 by 25. So we have converted 0.36 to P by Q form, that is 9 by 25. See now second one, 15.4. So remove the decimal and write down the number 154 by decimal after how many digits were present? 1 digit. 1 digit present means you write down in the denominator 10. Here decimal after 2 digits were there. We have written here 100. Suppose decimal after 3 digits were present. We have to write in the denominator 1000. So here we got 15.4 means 154 by 10. So this can be simplified further by dividing both terms by 2. That equals to 2 table 77 times 154 by 2 table 10 is 5 times. So the answer is 77 by 5. See now 7th question, third sum. 10.25 we have to convert into P by Q form. Let us remove the decimal and write down the number 1025 by decimal after how many digits were present? 2 digits were present. So 2 digits present means we have to write in the denominator 100. Now 1025 by 100 we got number. Now this one we can divide further by dividing both the terms by 5. 5 table 5 20s are 100. So you will get a reminder 2. Now the number is 25. 5 table 25 is how many times? 5 times. So 5 table 205 times 1025 by 5 table 100 is 20 times. So we got now 205 by 20. Again this can be simplified by dividing both the terms by 5 again. 5 table 5 4s are 20. 5 table 5 is 1 time. So 5 table 41 times 205 by 5 table 4 times 20. So the answer is 41 by 4. See now fourth sum, 3.25. Now we have to convert this decimal number to P by Q form. So write down 3.25 as remove decimal and write. Now the number is 325. Here decimal after 2 digits were there. So write down here in the denominator 100. That equals to, now we can simplify this further by dividing both the terms by 5. 5 table 6 times 30. So 32 minus 30 how much? You will get remainder 2. Write down the remainder here before. Now the number is 25. 5 table 25 how many times it is? 5 times. Write down by 5 table 100 is 20 times. Now we got 65 by 20. Now the number is 65 by 20. We can simplify this value further by dividing both the terms by 5. 5 table 65 is 13 times by 5 table 20 is 4 times. Now the answer is 13 by 4. Today we have seen class 9, chapter 1 real numbers, exercise 1.1, 6th sum and 7th sum. In the next video we shall see remaining sums of this exercise. Hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please like, share to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.